One of the great things about SEO is that once you've climbed to the top, it doesn't have to cost you all that much to stay there. The problem is it can take an awfully long time to get to that point. PPC, meanwhile, offers you the precise opposite strengths and weaknesses. PPC stands for pay-per-click and is the main form of advertising online. Pay-per-click essentially means that as an advertiser, you only get charged each time somebody actually clicks on one of your adverts. So, in other words, it doesn't cost you anything to have your advert published on a website. If no one ever clicks on it, you'll never pay a cent. But each time someone does click on it, you'll be charged X amount of money. This has a lot of handy advantages, as do many of the other features of PPC. So let's dive in and take a closer look. So how much exactly do you pay for each click? And where will your ads show? What's the best way to make the most money from it? Well, essentially, you get to decide precisely how much you want to pay for each click. The caveat is, the less you pay, the less your advert will get seen. That's because ads are shown based on a bidding system. Whenever a space becomes live, all of the relevant ads will be compared, and the one that pays the highest will get shown. That means you can get clicks for 1 cent if you're in a niche with zero competition, but for a much more competitive industry, you can end up paying as much as $5 per click. The good news is you only pay the amount you need to beat the next highest competition. So if your maximum bid is $5, but there's only one competitor who's paying $1, you'll get the ad for $1.01. As well as setting how much you're willing to pay, which is known as your minimum bid, you can also set how much you're willing to pay per week or per month. This is your budget, and by setting this, you can ensure that you never spend more cash than you have. The great thing about this system is it means you can actually guarantee ROI for your business. You do this by calculating how much it's going to cost you to bring each new visitor to your site, which will be equal to your CPC, or cost per click. You then look at your conversion rate, in other words, what percentage of new visitors become paying customers, and then you compare these numbers. So if 1 in every 100 visitors buys something from you, in other words, a 1% conversion rate, and your product earns you $50 per sale, that means each visitor is worth $50 divided by 100, or 50 cents. As long as you're paying less than that per click, you should earn profit from the campaign. This also means you'll need a daily budget of a certain amount in order to see daily returns. There is another great benefit to PPC advertising too. It allows you to target specific types of visitors very precisely. Targeting means ensuring only people you really want to see your ads will see them, and that can prevent you from wasting money advertising to people who won't be interested in buying from you. If you're selling skateboards to skaters, you should find your conversion rate goes up significantly versus trying to sell pens to skaters. So, how does all this work? Well, there are two main PPC programs out there at the moment. These are Facebook ads and Google AdWords. There are some others, but they aren't so big. Google AdWords show ads on search terms, and in that way it works just like SEO. Your aim here is to make sure that you're paying for your ads to show up on search terms with enough viewers and that are targeted to your precise audience. You can do this using local search terms again, or you can do it by using search terms that specifically relate to your niche. And you can see the ads are here at the top where it says ad. Quite often they'll also have them down here on the right hand side in a search result as well. Now, Facebook ads, on the other hand, gives you even more targeting options. With Facebook ads, your adverts will show on users' Facebook pages on the right or in their home feeds. You can then ensure that people only see the ads if they are the right age and sex, or if they have the right hobbies and interests, or have the right income, and if they're in the right location. Google has the advantage of showing ads to people who are currently searching for services and products, whereas Facebook ads can be interruptive. You can even use Google AdWords as a way to test whether certain keywords are worth pursuing with your SEO. But by closely targeting only people who are likely to be interested in your product, Facebook ads allow you to avoid wasting money on clicks from people who would never have bought from you in the first place. Wait! Before you get started, I've got an upgrade for you that will help you start getting traffic and making money with internet marketing faster and get even better results. First off, I want to personally thank you for picking up the guide to getting started with internet marketing. You're going to learn a lot, start getting traffic quickly, and make money with what you discover inside the guide you just purchased. But what if I told you there was a way that you could start getting traffic and results even faster? And not only could you see results faster with what I'm about to share with you, but you could find yourself getting even better results. Although the guide you just purchased is extremely easy to follow and is created in a step-by-step format, the fact is, there are a lot of people out there that just learn a lot faster from watching something being done in front of them as opposed to reading about it. How about you? How do you learn things best? Do you like to read and go through a guide, or do you get better results when you watch something being done in front of your eyes? If you're like the majority of people out there, watching a video of something seems to be preferred over reading a guide. That's because most people are visual learners. In fact, many people that buy text-based courses or guides often fail to get through all of the training. And if you happen to be one of the lucky ones that does complete a guide or course, many more struggle to retain all the material in a text-based training. Sadly, most people that read a text-based guide just don't have the patience and motivation to complete it and implement what's inside. But what if you could get comprehensive training that shows you exactly what you need to do to see success with internet marketing? Something that would take you by the hand and give you that next level of training that you need to get results. And not just any results, faster and better results. The good news is you're going to have the opportunity to do just that today. Introducing the video version of the guide to getting started with internet marketing. The bottom line is this: I want you to start getting traffic and making money as quickly as possible. And the little details with internet marketing can often be the difference between getting hordes of traffic that turns into money in your pocket, or struggling to get just a dribble of traffic. Or even worse. If you do things wrong with your internet marketing, you might never get any traffic or make any money from your online marketing efforts. That's why you need to really understand and comprehend every single detail that you're being taught inside the guide to getting started with internet marketing, to make absolutely sure you don't miss any of the key details that can get you traffic and put money in your pocket. Things like getting started and set up with internet marketing the most efficient and effective way, choosing the best traffic sources to use, and turning that traffic into profits. If you miss just one important step with getting started with internet marketing, you could find yourself wasting a lot of your time and possibly never getting the traffic and results that you're after. Sadly, many people that try internet marketing as a way to get traffic and make money never get the results that they hope for because they try to wing it. Don't do the same. When you follow what's inside the step-by-step video training in this video upgrade, getting results is easy. Upgrading to the video version of the guide you just purchased is the solution that guarantees you learn how to do everything the right way. Click the button below to get instant access. And of course, as an existing and valued customer, you get to upgrade with special customer-only discounted pricing. When you consider that this is just like having a private tutor sit down next to you and show you exactly how to effectively use internet marketing to get traffic and make money, it would be easy to put a price of several $100s on this upgrade. But you won't pay anywhere near that when you make the wise decision to upgrade today. Plus, when you take action today, you're also going to get an exclusive bonus of 10 high-quality audio MP3s of all the training. This makes it easy to learn while you're on the go and get results that much faster. When you add the MP3s to the 10 high-quality videos that show you how to do everything from getting started with internet marketing to scaling up and having traffic flowing daily, it's impossible to fail. Not to mention, you get to test drive the upgrade for the next 30 days, with absolutely zero risk. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every single penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. But whatever you do, please don't wait. This offer is an exclusive one-time offer at pricing that's only available to my existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Click the button below to get instant access today.